In this video, we're gonna talk about the amazing opportunities that are happening right now in the laundromat space. When it comes to wash, dry, fold, pickup, and delivery, there are so many opportunities that are happening. People are starting to start their own wash, dry, and fold businesses with less than $2,000, less than $3,000, and they're already starting to make money within 30 days. It's one of those things where if you understand that people want to have their clothes picked up from their doorstep, washed, dried, folded, and hung, and then brought back to their doorstep, it's one of those things where you see the potential. It has the industry, the market has so much potential. This niche has so much potential because the biggest problem that's facing the niche right now is that not enough people know about the service. Not enough people know about the service. It's one of those things where every time if you go to somebody and tell them, hey, there's a service out there where you could have your laundry done for you. Even if somebody has a washer and dryer, the washers and dryers, you can't handle those big comforters. The washers and dryers can't, handle the sleeping bags. Or some people might be too lazy to do the laundry. Some people might have too much laundry. Whatever it is, sometimes people don't want to spend a whole day, a whole weekend doing laundry because, they racked it up the whole week. And it's one of those things where even if people have washers and dryers themselves, they are willing to pay for you or somebody else to wash, dry, fold, and hang their clothes. Especially if you pick it up and deliver right back to their doorsteps. Offices will pay you. Commercial places will pay you. Meaning hotels will pay you to do linen, towels, sheets, whatever it is. Doctors' offices will pay you. Places like spas will pay you. Masseuse places will pay you. It's one of those things where if you understand that any place that has a towel, any place that has a shirt, any place that has any type of fabrics that people put on, uniforms, whatever it is, people are willing to pay for you to wash, dry, fold, and hang them. And so that's pretty much what the business model is. It's pretty much just there are people out there who want the convenience of not having to do laundry. Laundry is very time consuming. Laundry takes a lot of your time for no reason. It's a simple task. People do it. People know what to do. You can even have a little kid do laundry, but it's one of those things where it takes so much time. People want to get that time back. So instead of spending 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours in a laundromat, spending a whole day in a laundromat, spending a whole weekend in a laundromat, you can have somebody do the work for you. Instead of you getting in your car and spending the next 30 minutes to go get food, you can spend the next 30 minutes in your bed and have the food show up to your doorsteps. It's one of those things where it's about making people's lives easier and making things convenient for them. And when you're willing to make people's things convenient for people, when you're willing to make people's lives easier, they're willing to pay you for it. So, like I said, mobile laundry pickup and delivery services are something that people are starting to see. It's an industry that's starting to grow. It's a niche that people see the potential in. And so, if you wanted to get started, it's honestly not that hard to get started. All you need is some simple software. My cat's literally just knocked down my light. All you need is some simple software. Okay, there are many different types of software out there, depending on how big you want to have your company to be, depending on what kind of services that you need, whether you work with a laundromat or not, whether you're doing it by yourself, whether you're doing laundry in your own house, whatever it is, you can pick the software that's right for you. But after you get the software, all you need is a website. Some softwares actually give you the website that comes with it, and then some of them even give you an app. But after you have a website and an app, all you have to do is create an Instagram account, social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok account, and just start running videos, start running ads, start running promotions. It's one of those things where you just start posting more. Because once you start to promote it, Facebook is going to put it in front of people who need it. It's going to put it in front of mothers, college students. It's going to put it in front of doctors' offices, CEOs, some business professionals. Whatever your niche is, it's going to be able to target those people. And once people start to know about your service, they're going to sign up for it. And once you start to get the sign-ups, you're going to get people to pay. Once you start to get people to pay, you're going to start to be able to go and do people's laundry. You start to make money, and you start to expand. You start to scale. But those are the three things that you need. Those are going to be the three things that you need. You need software. Okay, once you have the software, it pretty much sets you up. The software, it's pretty much what you're going to do all of the tracking from. Each customer, each sign up, everything else. You need the software. Then you need a website. The website is pretty much where people go to sign up. Whenever people click the link on your Google page, whatever it is, whenever people click the link on your Instagram, it takes them to the website. Okay, that's where people can book. Okay, that's where people can schedule a time and a place. That's where people can put their address. That's where people can sign up. Okay, and then lastly, you run ads on social media. You create a social media account, like I said, you create a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you literally just run ads. You target people who are in your niche. So if your niche is busy moms, target busy moms. If your niche is professionals, target business professionals. If your niche is college students, target college students. Whatever your niche is, you target that specific niche. Okay, but at the end of the day, mobile pickup and delivery service is something that people are sleeping on. It's something that people are starting to wake up when it comes to seeing the potential in the niche industry and market. So getting in it now, by understanding the potential now, you're going to be ahead of the pack. You're going to be ahead of the curve. You're going to be ahead of everybody else. You're going to be in front of the wave, So if you have any questions, if you want to know more, leave a comment in the comment section. I will answer it. If not, watch this video here to learn more about the mobile pickup laundry delivery company.